What's up guys, Thomas Garetz here, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to promote ClickBank products on Pinterest completely free and super fast. And this isn't going to be like those other videos of people just telling you how they think you should do it, because they don't actually do it. I use Pinterest. You can see right here I got 13.4K monthly views, and that's not from ads, that's 100% free traffic, and that's just me doing it on the side. So if you're excited, make sure to smash that like button, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm not going to waste any of your time, we're hopping right into the video. So before I get into either of these, I want to explain to you something, and that's what is called a niche. Because step one, before we do anything, we have to pick a niche, right? So that's basically a category or a subcategory of a larger market. You know what I mean? So for example, some good niches, I have it opened up right here, 2 blog posts. I'll put both of these in the description if you want to look at them. But right here, it's just like the most popular niches and the amount of followers they have on Pinterest. So you can see home decor, art, travel, photography, etc. And you can even take it a step further and go a little more niched down. But I hope that makes sense. So step one, again, we have to pick a niche. And then right here it says, according to Pinterest research, 93% of the site's users use the site to help them plan their purchases. Okay, so that's insane, right? So that's pretty cool. But we're gonna go into ClickBank now, and I'm gonna show you how to actually pick a product, all right? So step two, like I said, pick a product. All right, now if you've never used ClickBank before, it's 100% free. All you gotta do is create an account, super simple. You know how to do that. But after creating your account, we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. All right. So you can see right here, they have the categories. So these are where the niches would be. So arts and entertainment, that would be a category or a market. But if you hit this, this will give you the subcategories or the niches. Okay. All right. So now we're going to pick a niche. So I don't know if I want to pick one in there. I know one of the top ones was, parenting. So maybe we'll just click on the market and see what they got. And then always sort by gravity, because gravity means how many affiliates are having success promoting the product. So the higher the gravity, the more people are making money with it. So you typically want to go with ones with higher gravity. All right, so let's just look at this one. And then right here, this is the affiliate page. Okay, so we're going to open that up. Now, this is a golden nugget no one talks about because they don't actually use Pinterest. They're just making these videos to try and make money off you. And I want to give you a super golden nugget. Okay, so if you actually use Pinterest, you'll see that everyone links to their blog. Okay, I'm not saying you need a blog. It would make things easier, but there's a way to do this for free and still use text-based content. Okay, so if you go to a popular product, which usually the first one will be pretty popular and have a slew of products in their affiliate resource to use. So you can see right here, they have demographics, infographic, articles. And I'll give you this quick tip. Infographics and articles perform the best on Pinterest. So any product that has both of these, that's insane. All right. So it's okay if you don't have your own website. There's other ways to go about creating these articles, but they'll give you pre-written articles right here with titles and everything. Okay. You just have to actually post them on your website, or you could even post them on a Google Doc or on a website called Medium. Okay. Medium's completely free and you can write blogs on here. I have a few. So, and you can see right here, if we go to stats, people actually view, like you can see right here, 168, like people actually view your articles on here. So anyways, that's pretty cool. Definitely check that out when you're picking a product. Definitely look for articles. But if you're just going to be promoting the product by itself, you should try and find like text-based sales pages rather than video sales pages, just because people are on Pinterest and they're looking to read. Okay, so definitely check that out. But this would be great, grabbing an infographic, because we could literally just save this image, okay? And then what we could do is literally, I'll show you a little later, but we could link to the product with this infographic, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to make your own pin, but this is insane. I've never seen an affiliate page like this before. Like seriously, look at this. They have everything you could possibly need. But for now, we're gonna just pick this product just to keep it sweet and easy for you. But again, on those blogs I showed you, any of those niches would work. Just pick one, don't complicate it, because you can always change niches, but you can never get back wasted time, right? So instead of wasting your time, I'm just gonna pick this product, all right? So right here, your account nickname should show up if you're logged in automatically. And then for tracking ID, say you make a new pin, right? So you could say pin 1, right? If you wanted to track each pin and find out which ones are making you money, you could do that, and then it will show up in your reporting, but you don't need to do all that. So just hit generate hop link, and this is our affiliate link. Just make sure you do not shorten this link. I know it's ugly, but people don't really see it that much. So anyway, so we're gonna copy this, and for now, I'm gonna open up a Google Doc, and I'm just gonna paste that in there so we have our affiliate link ready for when we need it. So I'm gonna close out of this page. Now, step 3 is getting prepared, all right? And that means something different for every person and every method that you're doing, okay? And I go more in depth on my free affiliate marketing guide. I have that linked in the description below if you want to check it out. But for example, let's say we were getting prepared for YouTube. It would be different depending on your budget. So someone could use their cell phone and then go in front of a window for lighting, and someone else might buy a digital camera and use soft boxes for lighting, right? So it depends on your budget, the strategy, the method, a lot of things. But we're getting prepared to promote ClickBank products on Pinterest. So for that, we need to open up Pinterest, make this bigger. I'm gonna sign out of my account. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new account, all right? So let's put in your email and then make a password. How old am I, 27? Anyway, so we're gonna create the Pinterest account. That's the first step. Now, you can go through this and then they'll ask you some more questions, but I guess you have to do it. I don't know, whatever. So then you gotta pick 5 things that you're interested in. We'll just pick those. All right, cool. So after you've done that, they'll bring us to this. Now, we don't need notifications. You can have them if you want. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our profile. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna fill out your profile. Okay, so we're gonna hit edit. And what you wanna do, since you've already picked your niche and you've picked your product, you have an idea of what your name should be. So we could do like, what's the name of the product? Babies Sleep Better. So after we put babies sleep better, I mean, I'm just doing this off the top of my head. I should have picked something I'm a little more, have a little more information or knowledge about, but let's just keep going. So then we'll do something like this and do like parenting and families. So add some keywords to it. For our username, we could do like baby sleep better. So that's the like after the backslash. And then about your profile, you want to add in more keywords. So I help busy parents teach their babies. Is it like that? Or maybe it's like that. Babies to sleep better at night and help you get a full night's rest. And then what you could do is you could add a link right there if you wanted, but we don't have a link and I'm not gonna put the big long affiliate link, but so that's good. You could, I don't personally do this, but you could add in hashtags. So to find keywords, you could do like baby sleep training, baby sleep problems. So you could do like baby sleep training, something like that. So you also want to add in a profile picture. So to change your picture, we could go to websites like Unsplash, and then we're just gonna grab a picture. These are so cute, oh my gosh. So we'll just download this. All right, then we're gonna go over here, change photo, there we go. All right, that's perfect. And then you can add your location if you want. We'll do Minnesota. You don't have to do that. I don't think I have that on mine actually. Maybe I do. But anyways, so we'll go back to our page. So this is our profile now. It looks all right. Now, if you do have a website, you need to claim your website. But again, I'm assuming you're just starting out on Pinterest. But what you need to do now is you need to create 5 to 10 boards. Okay, so remember how I showed you the keywords? So baby sleep schedule, baby sleep training, baby sleep problems. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create the boards. So I'm just gonna create one just to show you how. So we could do like baby sleep problems. Okay, so then create it. So now it will show you like baby sleep problems. So now what you wanna do is you wanna save. You just wanna save like 5 or 10. So we'll save those, that's done. Now this is the inside of your board. You wanna hit edit, and then you wanna do the description and you wanna add in more keywords. So in this board, I have all pins related to baby sleep problems, and it will help you train your baby to sleep better. And then again, you could put a couple hashtags like baby sleep problems, baby sleep training, something like that. You could add in the category, so let's kids and parenting, and then you could change the cover, but you don't need to do that. So then we'll hit save, and there you go. So you want to have about 5 to 10 boards, and you want to have about 5 to 10 of other people's pins inside of the boards, just to make your profile like more full. Pretty simple, but just make sure they're related to the board at least a little bit. You don't want to be like pinning fashion things in your baby board, right? So that's how you get your profile filled up and you get prepared. Okay, so after we get prepared, we have to actually create our own pins. Okay, so what I use is a website called Canva. It's completely free, 100%. They do have a paid program, and I used to use it, but I don't use it anymore. It's just not needed. And I do have a link in the bottom. It's my referral link. It's 100% free, but if you use it, you and me, we actually get 1 free credit to use a paid photo. I'll show you when I'm creating this, but you don't have to use it. It's not a big deal. It saves you $1. But anyway, so right here they have Pinterest graphic. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm also going to open up ones that I make that perform the best. So let's see. I think I passed it. So right here, this is typically the kind of pin I'll make with like looking like this. And you can see mine's a little longer and more thin than how this is, but either works. So the nice thing about this is they have all these templates that you can use. So for example, if we type in family, look at this, it's already completed. And then you could do like how to help teach your baby how to sleep better through the night. Something like that. So yeah, that's how you would do that. And that could literally be your pin. All right, so that's one way to do it. And then the other way is like go into here. I like dancing script, that's cool. But the other cursive one I like is Pacifico, right there. They're both cool, but if you're gonna use cursive, I would suggest using one of those two. And then I use Open Sans Extra Bold for those. But you could do something like how to help your baby sleep better all night, or something like that. Just simple. And then right here, we're obviously not going to use that photo, but we could leave it there actually, because I want to show you something cool. So baby sleeping. Oh, we got to go to photos. So go to photos and then hit baby sleeping. All right, so then right here we could just drag it and then it will replace the old photo. So that's pretty cool. But let me show you. So right here, you can see it's $1, right? So if you signed up with that link, it's just go.thomasgaretz.com/Canva, and you create one design, completely free. We each get 1 credit, so we could use one of the paid ones. So you see there's the watermarks over it. So you don't want to use that unless you pay for it or you use that free credit. So anyways, this is super cute. But yeah, so that's a pin. So if you want to know actually like more in depth how to do this, I do have a Pinterest tutorial. I'll link up above, but real quick, I'll just go over exactly how this works. So elements are these. These are just like squares. So I would just use this, make it smaller and put it up here and change the color. So that's all I did for those. And then all this is just text. You grab it here, you put it there, and you can change the font, change the sizing, or just go like this to make it bigger. And that's really, it's so simple to use. If you have any questions about this at all, I have a Canva playlist I'll also link up above that just teaches you how to use Canva specifically. But yeah, so let me know if you have any questions about that. So we're gonna publish this, we're gonna download it, and I have multiple pages, but you only have one. So we'll download that first page, and then we're also gonna download, so the cool thing is you can publish it straight to your board from Canva, but I have mine linked to my own. I did that like one time on a video just to test it out, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just downloading this. So now the last step, really step 5, is creating our content. So typically you should have the plus thing up here. I think it's because it's not a business account, but you can just add account and you can change it. It's super simple, but I'm not gonna do that right now. So what I did is I just went back to my home page and I'm gonna hit right here, create pin. All right, so this is our pin. It's super simple. So let's start out with this one. And again, you wanna check out your keywords because Pinterest is actually a search engine. People think it's social media or whatever, but no, people are searching in for certain things on Pinterest. So this is how to help teach your baby how to sleep through the night. That is terrible. Don't actually, if you're gonna copy me, don't write what I wrote. That doesn't even sound good. But anyway, so teach your baby to sleep better. So you can see that's not actually a keyword, but this is. So you could use that as your title. So we'll delete that and then say teach your baby to sleep better through the night. So what I do is I look for other keywords that I can add into the description. So what would be one? So you can see right here, baby won't sleep unless held. So will your baby not sleep unless held? So we're calling them out. It's a question, the first part. Well, in this post, I teach you how to get your baby to sleep through the night without crying, without being held, and within 7 days. Okay, something like that. You would want to see what's on the product. Like, I haven't even looked at the product, but most products will be like, how to do this in X days, right? So you want to make sure it like makes sense, right? You don't want them to be like completely different, like have your product say in 14 days and you say in 7 days. Anyways, I'm just doing this for example purposes. And then again, you could use hashtags like baby sleep, teach baby to sleep better, something like that. Again, you would just want to look at the keywords, which are super simple. And then another thing I'll show you really quick. After I post this, I'll show you. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our document and grab our affiliate link. Remember, do not shorten this link. I don't care what anyone else says. If you do that, sure, you can still click on it, but then something will pop up and it will say like, you are leaving Pinterest to go to an unsecure site or something like that. And then no one's going to click through. So don't do that. Please trust me. All right. So we're going to paste our link right there. And then we're going to post this to baby sleep problems board. Okay. So then what we do is we just hit save and our pin is pinned. Super simple. All right. So again, for example, we just hit create pin. And then if we're going to use the one I created, you would just do the same thing. Again, find keywords, but I want to show you something. So you can go broad, right? Baby sleep. So type in baby sleep, and then Pinterest, what they do is they bring all this stuff up here, right? So baby sleep meme. And then these are the other keywords that go with it. So baby sleep meme funny. So those are like keywords people are typing in, right? So baby sleep through the night, all right? And then toddlers, right? So you can find keywords super, super easily. And then also, I think I saved that infographic. I just want to show you. I would definitely turn my account into a business account as well if you plan on doing this. But let's grab that infographic right here. This is so powerful. Infographics are amazing, right? So that's your infographic. And then you would want to make sure that your affiliate link is whatever they're talking about here. And you could find that in your affiliate pages right here. So you could find all your links and all that stuff. So that's super powerful. I'm going to close out all this stuff. And again, if you have any questions at all, comment down below and let me know. And make sure you grab that free guide because that explains much more in depth. All right. And then I'm going to put a video right here. And that shows you a few more bonus strategies about Pinterest. So if you want to learn more about Pinterest, definitely check that video out. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Seriously, it means a lot. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe by clicking my face right here. And really, that's all I got. See you on the next video.